Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And today's video I'll be showing you how to make Twitter accounts that's private to public. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll share if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations by the description of this video. Okay, so now you need to head over to your Twitter or X, whichever one you refer to. So now just head over to your Twitter now. So now open your Twitter, your X. Okay, so now after opening it, now you need to tap on your profile section icon or section, your profile icon, then tap on, scroll down and tap on this setting and support, the drop down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Now select this privacy and safety option. Now you need to select audience and tagging. Okay, so select audience and tagging. Now as you can see, now my account is actually on private. Okay, this will protect your post section. If you actually know how to private account, you know that my account is on private, it's toggled on. Okay, my posts are protected, only people that is following me that can see it. Okay, so now if you want to make your account from private to public, just tap on this button and successfully your account will be switched back to public. Okay, so guys, as easy as that, that's how to make your account from private to public on Twitter or X. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, also contact us for ads and collaborations. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Stay safe and God bless you. Peace.